Discover a diverse array of innovative tools and accessories, each designed to elevate your daily routines. From wireless speakers with versatile configurations to portable storage solutions ensuring lightning-fast data transfer, explore a world of cutting-edge technology promising convenience and comfort in every aspect of modern life. KNZ GoDuo Wireless Speakers. The KNZ GoDuo wireless speakers offer versatility with a unique split design, allowing users to separate the speakers for different angles or keep them together for a traditional setup. Each speaker boasts 5 watts output, surprising for its size, with built-in subwoofers and dual driver technology for enhanced sound quality. IPX5 certification ensures waterproof durability. Magnetic bases allow attachment to steel surfaces or hanging on backpacks. Some users report battery and shutdown issues alongside positive reviews on Amazon. Enjoy up to 10 hours of continuous music. UZAM's Magnetic Power Bank. The UZAM's Magnetic Power Bank offers convenience for charging multiple devices with its compact design and substantial 18,000 mAh capacity. It features a retractable cable, 2 types of charging cables for Apple and non-Apple devices, and various adapters. With 45W Type-C PD fast charging, it claims to charge an iPhone 14 to 50% in just 30 minutes. Safety features include overcurrent and overvoltage protection. While not entirely novel, its modular design offers versatility, though wireless charging would be a welcomed addition. Toben 1 Laptop Docking Station Stand. The Toben 1 Laptop Docking Station Stand enhances productivity by expanding your laptop's functionality with numerous ports. Compatible with MacBook Pro 2016 to 2023 and MacBook Air 2018 to 2020, it offers various ports, including multiple USB-C ports for high-speed data transfer and power delivery. It supports up to 3 monitors, with considerations for display support based on the M1 chip. Customers praise its fast data transfer and power capabilities, though some report port issues. Despite drawbacks, it's a noteworthy accessory for efficient work setups. Shift Robotics Moonwalkers. Shift Robotics has unveiled the Moonwalkers X, aiming to revolutionize indoor mobility with lighter weight, improved control, and enhanced shock absorption. The updated model promises triple walking speed and potentially doubles productivity, ideal for various industries prioritizing efficiency. Available in smaller sizes, these shoes target distribution centers, warehouses, and retail locations. While pricing details are forthcoming, the company acknowledges the increased production costs. Initial reviews note the reduced weight but highlight concerns about long-term comfort for all-day wear. Hohem Mic-01 Microphone. The Hohem Mic-01 microphone offers impressive features at a budget-friendly price compared to competitors like DJI. It provides approximately 7.5 hours of runtime and seamless compatibility with mobile phones and computers via USB-C. While connecting to DSLRs may pose challenges, its ability to function as a standalone recorder with a micro SD card slot compensates for any drawbacks. With advanced options like noise cancellation and reverb reduction, it delivers exceptional sound quality, making it a compelling choice for content creators seeking affordability without compromising performance. Subminimal NanoFoamer V2. The Subminimal NanoFoamer V2 offers an affordable alternative for achieving cafe-quality microphone. Perfect for manual espresso makers lacking built-in steamers. Utilizing a unique frothing technology with an impeller, it produces microfoam reminiscent of cafe texture. Despite helpful instructional videos, frothing small quantities can be challenging, and additional steps like milk heating are required. Portable design allows for coffee enjoyment anywhere, but some users find prolonged button pressing tiring, with reports of device breakage within a short period noted by 16% of unsatisfied customers on Amazon. Kwumsy K3 Keyboard. The Kwumsy K3 Keyboard offers a unique combination of functionality with its touch-sensitive 13-inch screen, supporting multiple screen display and fully mechanical, day-able keyboard input. With FHD resolution and a 60 Hz refresh rate, it provides excellent visual quality. The keyboard boasts one cable connection and plug-and-play functionality for various devices, although not compatible with iPad Air or iPhone. While featuring a 90 degrees foldable angle function and adjustable monitor levels for eye comfort, some users wish for additional features, like a numpad and quieter keycaps. Andmarc Microscope Lens. Andmarc introduces the Microscope lens for iPhone, offering 40x magnification for macro and micro photography. With a built-in light and 3x magnification option, it ensures detailed shots with adequate brightness. Compatible with iPhone 12 and newer models, it offers convenience with a special case or clip mount. Priced at $125, it competes well with similar products, prioritizing quality and functionality. Some users report issues with the built-in light over time, but it still outshines competitors lacking this feature. MoveSpeed RX20 Portable SSD. The MoveSpeed RX20 Portable SSD offers blazing fast speeds up to 2000 MB read and 1800 MB write via USB 3.2, ensuring swift data transfers and game loading. With a durable zinc alloy shell, it withstands 80H of abuse and promises reliable data storage. Compatible with various operating systems, it's versatile for all users. Despite average capacity and speeds compared to competitors, its rugged build, compatibility, and portability make it a solid choice for data storage needs. Coolwalk Heated Insoles. Coolwalk Heated Insoles offer relief for perpetually cold feet with a 3500 mAh battery providing 11-hour heating. Activated by a remote, they warm in 5 seconds, with adjustable temperatures from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety features include automatic shutdown at safe temperatures and a sturdy case supporting up to 440 ohms. Customizable to shoe size, they suit various users. However, mixed reviews on Amazon suggest durability issues, with some experiencing premature failure. Potential buyers should consider the reliability before purchase. Avalanche Roof Snow Removal System. The Avalanche Original 500 Roof Snow Removal System offers a safe and efficient solution for clearing snow from your roof. Easy to assemble, it features a sturdy pole and slide mechanism for effortless snow removal. Different wheel sizes cater to various roof types, ensuring swift and thorough cleaning. While generally well received on Amazon, some users caution about limitations regarding roof height, angle, and ice accumulation. Quality concerns with the plastic slide are mentioned, possibly due to manufacturing defects. Buyers should consider these factors before purchase. If you enjoyed our showcase of innovative gadgets, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video with your friends. Stay connected for more exciting updates and discoveries in the world of technology. Your support means the world to us.